Welcome to the point, and I hope you are doing well and practicing well. And today's topic is quadratic equations. Okay, quadratic equations. Okay, so before moving further, subscribe the channel below link. Below the video, you can see there is a subscribe button. Press that subscribe button so that you will get the notification in time. Okay, so today's topic is quadratic equation. Any exam, bank, SSC, or any exam, there are quadratic equations for comparison of roots is asked. Okay, so there are equations like x plus y is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. These type of equations are called simple equations. If these type equations, you have to calculate the value by simple calculation, value of x and y, then comparison the value of x and y. One value of x will come and one value of y will come. So you have to tell x is greater than y, less than y, equal to y. What are the conditions? I will tell you. Okay. Okay, this is the test. So next, in the form of equation, suppose it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This form of equation is called quadratic equation. So topic of today is ax square plus bx plus c. This form of equation will be called quadratic equation, and ax cube bx square cx plus d is equal to 0. This form of equation will be known as the cubic equation. So today we will not teach cubic equation. So today I will tell you only about the quadratic equations. Okay. So I will start from very basic. Those who know quadratic equation well, they can take it as a revision. Otherwise, candidates make a mistake in quadratic equation also. They solve all the questions in the exam. When result comes, result is not in their favor because they made mistakes in the exam. So don't make mistakes for the questions which you could have done correctly. Okay. So for doing correct question correctly in right time, you have to learn the correct procedure. Okay. Correct procedure and what is the correct answer. Correct. Okay. So take the example of one question. 2x square plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is one equation. Then 2y square minus 19y plus 35 is equal to 0. Okay. So first you learn, those who don't know, how to solve these quadratic equation. Okay. In the factorization, in algebra, you have learned all these things also in 9, 10. But those who have forgotten are those who those subject was not maths. So those candidates learn properly. Okay. Suppose here at the end minus is given. Minus is given means here in factorization 1 will be plus, 1 will be minus. Okay. Here if plus is given, so both the sign, if here plus, then both the sign will be minus, and if here it is minus, both the sign will be minus. If this sign is plus, then both the sign will be plus. Okay. This will be, if here it is plus sign. Okay. If this sign is plus, then both the sign in factorization will be minus if it is minus, and will be plus if it is plus. Okay. And if here minus, then one sign will be plus and one sign will be minus. So how to do it, just see. Okay. So first do the factorization. 2 and 12, 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. Okay. So this is the thing. Now you have to get here 5x. Do the factorization like this. You should get here 5x. So 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8. Separate. then 3 separate. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So these will be the factors. Very basic I am telling you. Exam you don't have to do. If you practice, you can do it without writing all this. So take this plus 4 minus 3 x plus 4. Okay. So 2x minus 3 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. So root of x will be minus, it will be plus 3 by 2 and minus 4. Okay. Plus 3 by 2. I will tell you how to write it. So now take the next equation. Do the factorization. 2 into 7 into 5. 2, 7, 5 is 35. Now you take two numbers whose addition will be 19. Okay. So take the equation. 7 2 is 14 plus 5 19. Okay. So 2 by square minus 14 by minus 5 by. Okay. Because you have to make here 19 by minus 14 by minus 5 by plus 35 is equal to 0. Correct? So now take 2 by common. By minus 7 minus 5 by minus 7 is equal to 0. So here by minus 7 2 by minus 5 is equal to 0. So roots of by will be 7 comma 5 by 2. Okay. 7 comma 5 by 2 and here 3 by 2 comma minus 4. Okay. X is equal to 3 by 2 comma minus. Now the question comes of compare them. How to compare the roots? This is the most important thing. How to compare the roots? This is most important thing and you have to remember it. You have to compare each root of x with both the roots of y. Okay. For example, you can write this like this also. Suppose x is equal to 3 by 2. You can write 1.5 for simplification and 4. Then for y you can write 7 and 2.5. Okay. So now compare 1.5 will be compared with 7. So it is less. Okay. Then again 1.5 will be compared to 2.5 and again it is less. Okay. Now minus 4 will be compared to 7. It is less. Minus 4 compared to 2.5. Again it is less. It means each root of x is less than y. So answer will be x is less than. Clear? So very basic method I have explained you. Any problem if you are not getting, you watch video again, you will get it. Otherwise you write in the comment section, I will explain you again. Okay. Here do the factorization 2. 12 factorization 2 into 2 into 3. 12. Okay. So now you make arrangement like this. 8 minus 3. Here it will come 5. Then you take the common. Then like this. Okay. So now comparison of the roots I have explained you. Here each root of x. First root is x 1.5. So compare 1.5 with both the roots of y. Okay. Look here. Compare 1.5 with both the roots of y. 1.5 is less than 7. 1.5 is less than 2.5. Then minus 4 is less than 7. Minus 4 is less than 2.5. Then only you can say x is less than y. Okay. If suppose it is here, suppose this root comes here minus 6. Okay. Marker I will change. Suppose this root comes here minus 6. Then this is not smaller than. This is greater than 6. And in that case, x is less than y, x is greater than y, which is not possible, and the result will be cannot be determined. Okay. either x, there will be 5 conditions. There will be 5 conditions. What are those conditions? First, x can be less than y, x can be greater than y, x can be less than equal to y, x can be greater than equal to y, x is equal to y, or cannot be determined. Okay. So these 5 conditions will be there, and answer will be asked whether A correct, whether B correct, whether C correct, whether D correct, whether E correct. Okay. So only these 5 conditions will be possible. So it cannot be in one question x is less than y, other place x is greater than y, then it cannot be decided. So answer will be cannot be determined. Okay, or cannot be, relation cannot be established. Okay, so this I have told you very basic thing. So now suppose, now time comes for shortcuts, short tricks. There is no shortcut and short tricks in maths. I am telling you, you have to practice, then you can achieve those short tricks by yourself. Okay, there is no short tricks. There is no short tricks for success. Suppose you have practiced this question well. So 12 2 ja. Okay, I already have told you 12 2 2 3. Okay, so 8 3. These will be the factors. Then divide by 2 is here, divide by 2. Then both the sign here will be plus, one will be plus, one will be minus. So the plus sign you take minus opposite, and here you take plus. Okay, here plus sign have come, so you have to take minus, and minus have come, so you have to take plus. Then this will be for you short trick. Okay. So without writing these steps, directly you can calculate the roots. Okay. Without writing these steps, if you have practiced well, then 2 into 2 into 3, 8 plus 3, then divided by 2, 1.5. Okay. So these will be in similar fashion here. Okay. 2 into 7 into 5, then 14, 5, both will be minus, so here it will be plus, then divide by 2, then the root will be 7 and 2.5. Okay, so without writing this equation, you can tell the root. Now root have been calculated. The next thing will comes comparison of root. Some candidates are doing, they calculate the roots correctly, but they don't compare the things correctly. That I have explained you. Each root of x will be compared with each root of y separately. This root will be compared with this root will be compared with both these two. Okay, remember this clearly. Okay, we'll take another example. Okay, this is one question. Another question is, okay, these are the two equations. You have to solve and compare the roots and take the correct answer. Okay, so quadratic equation, 2 roots for x will come, 2 roots for y will come. Okay, so then compare both the roots separately for x, then you will get the answer. Okay, so now do the factorization. 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. Okay, 3 5 is 15 into 30. Now make it 17. 6 2 is 12, 5 17. Okay, so it will be 12 comma 5. Okay, 12 comma 5 will become 17. Then divide by 2. By this term will be divide, and here both are plus, so roots will be minus. So minus 6 minus 2.5. Easy na? If you practice it, you will get it. Okay. Otherwise, there is no trick. There will be mistakes. If you don't practice, you will do mistake. Then you will solve all the question in exam, and result will not be in favor. Correct? Okay. So again, take this 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay. So now make it 13. 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4. So 9, 4 divided by 2. Whatever number will be this, that will be divided, not always 2. If here it is 3, then divide by 3. Okay. The ax square, a value will be divided. Okay. And both the numbers positive, then this will be minus 4.5 and minus 2. Now compare the roots. Okay. Now compare the roots. Without comparing, you cannot tell what is the answer. So now each value of x, minus 6 write 2 times. It will compare minus 4.5 and minus 2. Okay. Then again minus 2.5, it will be compared with minus 4.5 and minus 2. Okay. See here, it is less than this. It is less than this. Here minus 2.5 is greater than 4.5. Minus 2.5 is greater than, less than. So it either here it is less than, here it is greater than. So relation cannot be established will be the answer. Answer will be relation cannot be established. Okay. So answer will be relation cannot be established. If you practice it, very easily you can find out the roots in the simple. Then you have to compare. You have to compare it very carefully. Otherwise, if you write some gadwad thing, then the answer will be incorrect. Okay. Take next example. Three x square plus 22x plus 24 is equal to 0. I think this is not visible. Huh? 3x square plus 22x plus 24 is equal to 0. This is one equation. Another equation is 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now observe this equation carefully. Okay. Here plus sign is there. Here plus sign is there. Just see, pay attention. Plus sign is here, plus sign is here. It means both the root of x will be in negative. Okay. Both the root of x will be negative. Here plus sign is there, here minus. So both the root will be positive. So negative value will be always lesser than positive value. Okay. So without solving you can tell x is less than y. Correct? But before that you should practice it. You should practice first simple quadratic equation. Don't take shortcut. First practice simple quadratic equations. Then only you can tell all these things. Because both the root will be here negative, here it will be positive, then the things will be in your favor. Okay. So we'll take another example. 4x square plus 27x plus 18 is equal to 0. 2y square minus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so now pay attention. Here positive, both the roots positive, then see here also, here both the roots will be negative. Okay, both the roots will be negative because all positive. Here both the root will be positive. Okay, you can observe it very easily. So by comparison, x is less than y. Easily without solving, you can mark it x is less than y. Okay. Another example. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then 6y square minus 29y plus 28 is equal to 0. Okay. Now solve. We have to solve this equation. So first make the factor. 4, 2 2 ja 4, 6, 2 3 ja 3. Factor done. Now make it 11. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8 into 3. Okay. So 8, 3. Both the will be minus, so root will be plus. Here both the factor will be minus, so root will be plus. Divide by 4. Okay. So 2.75. These are the two root of x. Okay. So here do the factorization. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 7 ja 28. Okay. Make it 29. 14 7 3 ja 21 and 8. 7 3 ja 21, 2 2 ja 2, 2 ja 2, it will be 8. Okay. So make 21 and 8 divided by 6. Divide by 6. Okay. So 3 7 ja 3, 2 ja 2, 4 ja 2, 3 ja. So make it 3.5 and 1.33. So these are the two roots of y. Now the part comes for comparison. Make this table. Compare 2 by 3.5 and 1.33. Then compare 0.75 with 3.5 and 1.33. Here see 2 is less. Here see 2 is greater. 2 is less than 3.5. 2 is greater than 1.5. Here, so the relation cannot be established. Here it is less. Okay. So the answer will be relation cannot be established. This will be the answer. So I think basic things I have made you clear. Now if you practice it well, there will be no mistake in the exam. How to compare roots I have told you. So next version, the advanced version of the quadratic equation and cubic equation, I will tell you in the tomorrow's class. Okay. Till that time you practice, and only by practice you can achieve this thing. Okay. There is no shortcut. By practice only shortcuts will come. You practice the more questions. So in easily during exam easily you can do it. Thanks a lot. Okay.